to Vivo Mega. We're going to bring on Chris Hatchie, and our mentors will be Heather and Anthony.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you for having me. I'll be presenting Vivo Mega supercharged formulas. GC Reaver. GC Reaver is a privately owned Norwegian-based company since 1879. A global provider of GMP-certified omega-3 concentrates under the Vivo Mega brand. They do business globally and are located and have warehouses in Norway, Canada, US, EU, Australia, and Asia. The quality GC Reaver oils, Vivo Mega sets the global standard in quality and is above and beyond all other fish concentrate monographs. Minimum 3-year shelf life, production according to ISO 9001, HACCP, and GMP. Specifications, a wide array of Vivo Mega concentrate offerings, just DHA, EPA, or a combination of EPA and DHA content. Vivo Mega is offered in an ethyl ester, traditional triglyceride, and a TG premium, which is a TG 90% offering as well. A high concentration capabilities with over 800 milligrams per gram of EPA and DHA, delivering exceptional sensory parameters, neutral taste and smell in these oils. Technical advantages is a state-of-the-art tailored production facility, use of mild efficient enzyme technology to produce tailored solutions for our customers, superior taste, smell, and low oxidation content, minimum, again, 3-year shelf life. We have a dedicated R&D product development team and a fully integrated production laboratory. Why is that important? We can offer health-specific solutions based on clinical trials. Some examples of that: health, brain, child, pregnancy, and immune, which is top of everybody's mind these days. Environmental friendly profile, produced using enzymatic process, as I mentioned, which is a very green chemistry in its finest. No harsh solvents. Waste material, the biodiesel, is actually reused to power our facility. And we are a leader in environmental stewardship and fishing practices, member of Friends of the Sea. Supply chain, GC Reaver has been a reliable supplier for over 100 years. We have a minimum of 24,000 metric tons of crude oil secured in our facility at all times using our state-of-the-art tank farms. Raw materials are sourced only from sustainable fisheries, fully traceable from cold water fisheries. Thank you. If you have any questions, certainly you can check Barrington Nutritionals or gcreaver.com.
And go to the bottom of the page and you'll be able to find the link where you can send an email. Heather, do you have a question?
I do. I love the concept of green chemistry. It has a really nice ring to it, but could you maybe address what exactly does that mean to me if I were a consumer trying to understand why you use green chemistry and what that means to this state-of-the-art quality that you discuss?
Sure. It really goes to, not all omega-3s are created equal. One of the advantages or disadvantages of GC Reaver is they've lived and died on the quality of their product. If you think about, again, setting the global standard of quality, so the lowest PCBs and dioxins, it's very important for them for their fishery. So even the water supply, like I said, reusing the bio an enzyme, as it's understood, is very clean. It provides a very low heat application, so very low degradation on the oils, which is the reason why they can produce those very, very good tasting taste and smell qualities.
Anthony, you got a question?
Yeah. So, I'm very sensitive to sustainable fisheries. What cold water species are you primarily using?
Thank you. Thank you for asking that. It's so primarily anchovy and sardine. And the reason for that, of course, is these fish have the shortest from egg to full fish. So the very low PCB and dioxins. We primarily fish in the Peruvian fishery, which is one of the most regulated fisheries in the world. We also, GC Reaver has a stewardship where we have actually people on site. There's current fishery happening right now for our customers. We are usually offering a week-by-week overview of that fishery. If anybody's ever interested, I'm happy to forward that, but it gives you a a recap of how that fishery is going, as I say, week to week during those fisheries 2 times a year.
So Chris, I'm going to ask my own personal question because I've been monitoring my omega-3 level for 3 years. And you talk about the concentrated DHA EPA. I want to know if you've done any bioavailability work on the product yet.
Yeah, it's one of the challenges. I mean, I was also hoping that, on the retail side, you think of people going into that omega-3. It's really, you need to do a little due diligence. Everybody has to do that in understanding the value of high concentrate. So really quickly, if you think about the value of this thing, it's so I can give you a large capsule, and then I can give you a small capsule of high concentrated. There's actually more EPA and DHA in what we're able to provide than in this capsule. So, and just quickly, if you think about compliance standard in our world of nutraceutical supplements, is that in the US today, we have about 12,000 people a day turning age 65. Of those people, they're taking 4 to 7 different pills or regime on a daily basis. So the value of high concentrate, another one, is that if I can provide you a small concentrated omega-3 with higher EPA than that large capsule, from a compliance standpoint, I'm hoping that you're actually going to take it. So it's just taking something like this and really bringing it down and just providing the true EPA and DHA and taking out sort of the negative parts of the omega-3.
Thank you for indulging me, and thank the audience for letting me indulge myself.
Yeah.